Researchers put the question of which workout is best to the test, and the result may surprise you. Yoga, stretching, balance, and core strength, or the gym, pounding the treadmill, pushing up the heart rate. Which one gets you the biggest bang for your health buck?
Or do they all? Because they all seem like they're good for you. Joining us on the Kogo News Live line, Warren Honeycutt, a 6-time Mr. America finalist and the author of Get Lean for Life, 7 Keys to Lasting Weight Loss. So, Warren, which one is better?
Well, actually, LaDonna, the best one is the one you enjoy doing. And that is the key, is to have an activity that you look forward to, and now it becomes something that is fun. And yoga, resistance training, barbells, cables, dumbbells, machines, bikes, treadmills, they all have a place in your fitness regimen. And so it's really not which is better. It is which is the one or two or three that you enjoy doing and go to that direction.
So there's no better benefit from either yoga or hitting the weights?
It depends, Ted, really on your goal. Now, you asking me, I'm going to obviously lean a little toward the resistance training as the best way to tone, shape, and trim. But yoga is a great activity for stretching, flexibility, strength, and the people that teach and work with yoga also touch the mind. And the mind is it's the core of our existence. And the body does follow the mind. So just going in and lifting weights, you don't get that benefit.
Warren, how do you make exercise a habit? A lot of people try to carve out a little time, but they're not consistent about it, and they can't find something that they can do consistently. Is that really the key of finding something that you actually like to do so you will want to do it?
Yes, absolutely. And like my mentor and grandfather of fitness, he's called Jack LaLanne, said that he was asked all the time, "You must love to exercise, Jack." He said, "I hate to exercise, but I love the result." And so that is something that a lot of people don't ever get into their psychic and deep enough in the subconscious mind, LaDonna, and that's the reason people, first of the year, Red Book and everybody else that ever does a study says the number one New Year's resolution is, this year I'm going to lose weight and get in shape, and this time I mean it. And what they do is go join a gym. I've been involved with gyms for 40 years, and they go to the gym, and for 2 or 3 weeks they're consistent, and then it drops off, and by February the 10th, the gym is back to where it will be until the New Year's resolution comes back around.
And that's how gyms make their money. So how do you...
It is, absolutely.
Yeah, so then how do you make it a habit?
What you want to do, Ted, is take a little time. It doesn't take typically more than 15, 20 minutes, and determine, what do I want to get out of this activity? And what am I willing to trade for the gain? And when people get involved with fitness, and especially if they have, we're all, people that like to be around people. I mean, even people that say they don't. None of us are an island. And the key being, find somebody that wants to do the same thing that you're doing, and now all of a sudden there's 2 minds working for a common goal. And the chances of success for both those people goes up tremendously. But I ask for people, and when I do my workshops, I ask people to literally take a piece of paper and write out what they would love to achieve if the price wasn't anything they had to consider. And when they do that, they begin to crystallize in their mind where they want to go. And that's the key, is not stay where you are, but put your mind and put on the screen of your mind paintings, if you please, of thought of where you personally want to be in a week, in 2 weeks, 3 months, 6 months. And most of us can do many, many times more, or many, many times over what we feel we can do.
All right, Warren, we're out of time. Warren Honeycutt, a 6-time Mr. America finalist, the author of Get Lean for Life, and the exercise that is best is the one that you will actually do, the one you enjoy.